Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to add a photo to your contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's enter this info icon and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the stickers, the AR emoji, but we've got also the gallery and camera. So after picking the camera, your device will obviously open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can pick something from the gallery, so from previously taken photos or downloaded ones. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on gallery. And of course, if you will do it for the very first time, you will have to give all the permissions, so simply tap on allow. Now let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it, and as you can see, from this tab we can adjust the size of the square with the circle inside of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this circle area is responsible for it. We can zoom in or out the photo just like you want to. It's up to you. I will leave it like this, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the contact, so remember to tap on save here. And as you can see, we've got the contact. It will be also visible on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.